Hello and welcome back. Hope you've had a nice Christmas and a happy and prosperous New Year to you all. I'm continuing with the indicator installation, and hopefully we should complete within the next 2 or 3 videos. I have an upgrade actually to do as well. The reason for that is because I try to not to complicate things, if you know what I mean. So I found a better, not a better indicator in the sense that it's smaller. This one here, I don't like the way it spreads all over the screen, but it's a very useful indicator. You can obviously install it on a separate chart, like I've shown you in my I think video 3, how to install the multi spread indicator on a separate chart, same currency pair but a different chart. It doesn't really matter actually, but this one matters. You must install it on the same currency chart, so you're having 2 charts on the same screen. Okay, I also emphasized that we're going to remove this spread indicator because I find that the blue is quite annoying actually, because as the spread increases in size, the blue band increases, and it could take half the screen over in some instances. But the reason why I'm removing it, because there's another indicator that has the spread indicator already on it. So you probably already know how to do this, but I'll just repeat it. You just go to indicator list by right clicking your mouse. Indicator list, here we are, and then we find the item that we want to remove, which is the blue band. So we're going to remove that today. It's up to you whether you want to remove it or not, but I find it a bit annoying actually, now that I know that it's going to spread over the whole most of the charts. And I mean, it's up to you anyway. If you like the blue band to be there, it's an option for you to leave it or to delete it. But I'm going to delete it. Okay, so you highlight that and then delete it. This applies to any indicator that you do not want on the list, obviously. So let's delete that and then close that down, and as you can see, the blue band now has disappeared, leaving you with the current price line over here and without the blue band. Today in video 5 we're going to do the Pip Counter and the market price, which is I'm going to replace that with the same indicator, but you also got the spread spread monitor thing on it as well, which is what they call the bid-ask spread indicator. And then we're going to put the bull and bear strength indicator in this video. So let me just pause it while I load it onto the data folder, when I can find my. There we are. I'll just click that and then pause it. Okay, I've uploaded the indicators to the data folder, which is here. Let me just go to File, and I'll just remind you anyway. You go to File, and then you go to the data folder, which is here. Open data folder. Click that, and then you go to the MQL4, and then you click that, and then you go to the indicator folder, indicators folder, double click that, and then the indicator that you've downloaded, you just paste it into here. Obviously if it's in a source file, you need to convert it or compile it, which I've already shown you in earlier videos. So if you want to go back to those videos, I should check them out. Okay, now that we've done all uploaded the indicators to the appropriate folder, and you must obviously refresh it. So go to this icon here, this like star shaped one, and then go to your indicator section, click on that, and then right click on it and then refresh. Okay, that should have refreshed it. Now we've got 3 indicators to put on this video, and my note says here it's the Pip Counter. Let's scroll down to here, and then just drag that across. Just left click and hold it, and then drag it across. We're not too concerned where it's placed at this time. Just OK it, and then we'll make the adjustment where you want to put it. Well, actually, let's have a look. It's gone up at the top. This one here, right? And it's obviously covering up the other indicator here. So we need to make some adjustments as to the positioning of it. And then the next one is the market price, which is now I've replaced it by the bid ask spread, which shows the spread. So if we go back up to the top, bid, here we are, this one here, drag that across and just OK it. And then the next one is a bear strength, bear bull strength. That's still at the top as well, isn't it, as it's in alphabetical order. But bull, not the blue one, this one here, bull bear strength, and then just drag that across. OK it. Right, just close that down by clicking the X. Right, I'm going to make this box, this advise, this one here, this box here, I'm going to make this disappear, because I don't want too many indicators advising me whether to buy or sell. Okay, so right click and then go to the indicators list, and if you recall, this one is called the Take Pro Pips, this one. So just click it and then edit, and then you go down to where it's a show. There we are. That shows the scanner is this big long one here. This is called the scanner, and then it's the dashboard one that we want to hide. So we'll change that to false, so it will not show it. Okay, so now how come that has not happened? Oh yes, I'm not finished doing it. So there you go, it's gone. Obviously, if you want to leave that on, you leave that on, but I don't want too many indicators advising me whether to buy or sell, because it can complicate things, can't it? Right, now that we've got all these indicators here, we need to sort out the positioning of them. Right, let me just put my piece of paper down. Right, let's go back to the indicators list. Indicators list, and then we need to move this down a bit. Okay, move that one down. Not this one, not that one. Sorry, it's not that one. Not that one. Not that one. It's the Pip one. That's what we need to. We need to move down a bit. So go to edit, and you've just got to try. Try and your best trying to move it to the position that you want. So let's go to input, and then a bit further down here it says shift up, all right, or down. So if we want it shifting down, so I'm going to move it down to I don't know, call it 48. Right, and then close that down, and then it should have shifted it slightly. There we are, it's moved it down now. And then we need to move this one down. This is the pip by sorry, the spread. This is the spread, and that is the currency price here. That's the spread. That's why I removed that blue band. You could leave that here if you want, but yeah, leave it here if you want. Then you don't have to do a lot of messing about then. So, and then there was another indicator, wasn't it? Why did that other indicator go? Let's go back. Let's go back to the indicators list and have a look. Yes, it's the bull and bear strength. That has not shown up. So let's go back. Like I said to you in video 4, sometime the indicators do not make itself known to you. So it doesn't appear on the screen, actually, on the chart. So you need to edit it. And let's go to input and then move it slightly out. Where's that? Up and down, right? And then this is left, right. Okay, so we need to move it to the right. I think if we just call it 100, let's call it 100 for the time being. Like I said, you need to 100. Hang on a minute. 100. You need just to test it out. What is the best number to use, really, because on your chart maybe slightly different. There we are. It's appeared itself now as 100, right? So it needs to shift a bit more. I suppose another 50 more. Okay, we'll just edit it again, and then go back here if I can find it. This one here. We'll call it 128. 128. And see what that is like. No, it's still not good enough. I think we'll need to go to maybe 150 or 160. Right, where did that one go? Here we are. We'll call it 160. 160. That's much better. It's not interfering with each other. So just close that down, or by closing, with that X there, close it. And let's have a look at the bigger picture. Reduce the magnification. And so we have it. There we are. We've got our bull and bear strength, and we've got the spread indicator and the market prices, and then we've got this one here which shows us the spread as well, but it also shows the highest level that the currency has achieved and the lowest level, which is quite useful actually. So that is all I'm going to cover for today in this video. Like I said, I don't want to complicate the installation, because there are quite a few indicators that we're going to install. So if I do a little video rather than an extended one like video 1, obviously shows you how to do the trading, and that is about 40 minutes. But you need to watch that actually, because there are some hints in that video to guide you. But I will be doing a bit more of an extensive tutorial on the reading of the chart when we finished installing all these indicators. Like I said, there is an upgrade in another video when I finish the installation, because like I said, I'm going to take this one out. It's a good indicator, but I've now found another one which is shown here. Let me see if I can find it. I think it's this one here. No, I think it's this one here. No, not that one. That is exactly, that's what we're trying to build. It's this one here. There. It's this one here. Let me just zoom in. This is going to be the upgrades, if you will. And I'm going to add this one on and that one. This will tell you the buy strength, if you like, the buy and sell strength, and this is the trend of the currency, the actual trend of the currency, the whole currency, that is, and not over the time period. And the take profit and sell as indicator, the buy and sell indicator rather, is here. I moved it down here so that I can have a better view of it. And then this one is replaces the other one, that long one that I've shown you earlier. That replaces this. It's exactly the same, but it's smaller. And I moved this down to here basically because I want to keep an eye on this chart here, this indicator here, and obviously I'm keeping an eye on the price, and then I'm going to put this one on as well. This tells you your account profit, which you can see actually down here, but I prefer it to be here so it's nice and big, so you can have a good glance at it and then decide what to do. And obviously if the account profit is going up, then obviously you're in the profit, and if it's minus, then you're losing. But like I said before, when you start a trade off, when you're doing a trade, it will always be negative. You know, it don't matter what you do, it'll be negative because of the spread. And then once you're happy with the profit that you're making and you feel that this is changing, then you go down here and then close your trade down, or you can highlight that. I haven't got a trade going, so I can't show you, but you highlight the trade that you're doing and then right click it, and then you'll find the section where it says close trade. Okay, so I can't show you because I'm not doing a trade, and the market at this present time is not live because of the Christmas period, so it gives me an opportunity to set this up without any figures you know, showing itself. But this is the upgrade, which is exactly the same as the video one, but it's in a better format, and I've moved most of the indicators to the right. To the right. I'm moving the chart a bit to the left, and I've added this one on, and that's all I've done. And this one here, that's quite an important indicator, which is not actually on the first video, but this will actually help you better, rather than, it's like this one here. This is a better one because it already works out the situation for you, whether to buy or sell. So once we've done that, we'll look at the trading aspect of it once all the indicators have been installed. Okay, this is all I'm going to talk about today, and I'll give you the download link below, and let me just close that one down, which was this one here. And this is no, not this one. That was just it's this one here that we've got to I got to show you. That's right. This is what we've done so far. Right. You might not want the bulls and bear strength, like as that tends to vanish actually when you were doing a trade, because I think it probably using too much signal. You got too many indicators on, and the strength is just not good enough actually to enable this indicator to be there all the time. Well, that's my feeling anyway. We still got a bit of a space here, but I don't think there's another indicator that we need to put on there. So we need to move these down a bit, like using the indicators list, and by selecting the indicator that you want to adjust. Okay. Now, if you make a mistake, just start all over again. Just delete that indicator and then drag it back onto the screen. Right. That's it. That's what we're going to do today. Just let me minus that. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to leave that for today now, and get this uploaded so you can see the additional indicators that are put on. And I hope that you're enjoying your festive season, and enjoying your holidays. Okay, cheers anyway for watching, and I hope to start the next video shortly, and we'll complete the installation perhaps in the next 2 or 3 videos, maybe shorter actually, but like I said, I think there might be another 2 or 3 videos. Like I said, I only do two or three of the installation at a time, just to make things easier. Okay, cheers.